Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best mini watering cans for kids available on the market.
If you're looking to add some fun and learning to your child's outdoor playtime or even bath time, you'll want to stick around for this review.
First off, let's talk about the Hape Sand and Beach Toy Watering Can.
This little gem is designed not only for fun but also to help your child develop a green thumb early on. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's built to withstand both the rough and tumble of outdoor play and the splashes of bath time adventures. It's not just for the beach.
While it's perfect for sandcastle building and water play by the shore, you can also elevate bath time by bringing this watering can into the tub.
It's a versatile toy that encourages creativity and learning in different environments. Hape toys are known for their quality, and this watering can is no exception. It's crafted from HDPE and ABS plastics, ensuring durability and safety for children aged 24 months and up.
Beyond the fun, using this watering can teach kids about responsibility, nature, and even basic physics as they learn about pouring and water flow. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose this watering can over others? Here are a few reasons.
Hape is a brand synonymous with quality and educational toys. They prioritize safety and design, making them a favorite among parents worldwide. To wrap things up, the Hape Sand and Beach Toy Watering Can is more than just a toy, it's a tool for fun, learning, and quality time with your little ones. Whether you're planning a beach day or simply want to spice up bath time, this mini watering can is a fantastic choice. If you're interested in getting one for your child or as a gift, I've left a link in the description below where you can check out more details and make a purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.